Should I ask you these questions from behind the camera?
Sure.
Yes. Who are you?
I am Jen, and I am the Programming and Outreach Coordinator for the Untitled Public Library, which is just a really fancy way of saying that I get to create really fantastic programming for adults and families, and then go out into the community and talk about what we do in the library, as well as participate in community events and interact with our community.
All right. I think you've knocked out questions 1 or 2. What do you like best about your job?
I like that I get to meet a variety of people across all walks of life and bring quality content as far as education or entertainment to people in the community, and knowing that I am serving the public to the best of my ability.
What is your favorite thing about the library?
So we have this fantastic chair in the adult section, and in the nonfiction adult section, tucked into a back corner. It's a giant chair, and it is fantastic for taking your lunch break and just snuggling up with a book and just relaxing for a little bit. It's fantastic.
Do you have a favorite collection?
I do. So I really love our biography and memoirs sections, kind of in the 921 area, and we have so many of them that if you wanted to read anything on, from a president to a famous movie star to just a run-of-the-mill person, there's tons of them in there in the collection, and I'm constantly finding new stuff.
Would you like to talk about your genealogy work, since that is something I see you working on quite a bit?
So I've been doing genealogy for about the last 14 years. And a few years ago I started to do some classes, and we just are finishing up a 6-week-long intensive program that from start to finish teaches you how to research your information all the way to creating your family trees online, or creating biographical documents and preservation of all of your documents. So it's been a long process in creating the program, but it's been a great program to be able to facilitate, and everybody seems to be learning quite a bit, so it's a lot of fun.
Is there anything else you'd like the patrons to know about you?
My information is on the website. I'm always available for emails if you have a topic that you maybe would like us to try and get a program on, or if you just have comments or concerns about programming. I'm always available, so don't hesitate to reach out.
Thank you for letting me interview/talk to you.
Anytime.
Hi, I'm Jess. You've probably seen me quite a few times if you've been watching the YouTube or the Facebook videos. I've been doing those, so you might recognize my voice. But outside of that, I am part of the circulation team as well as the outreach team, and I do collection development. So part of my responsibilities are like on circulation, I will answer reference questions, help you check in, check out, that kind of stuff. And then for outreach, I'm doing primarily adult programming and family programming, which is really fun. Right now we're doing I'm really excited about our Let's Build program, which is something we do once a month. People are given a prompt of something to build, and out of bricks. Can't say what kind of bricks, but they're bricks. And it's really fun to see people work collaboratively and creatively together. It's really great, and I love the program. And then for collection development, I do the teen manga and the adult graphic novels, comics, and manga. No one's surprised to hear that I love comics. It's primarily what I read. So if anyone needs recommendations, I've got a bunch. What do I like best about my job? I love being able to curating collections is really what drew me to librarianship. I love kind of seeing what everyone likes, taking my own kind of expertise in a particular, in this case, medium, and to see how those kind of things fit together, so that I'm providing people with things that I think are quality, good stories, great art. I'm also taking into account what people like to read, what the people of Delafield really love to read. So I think that's one of the best parts of my job. My favorite place in the library is next to the fireplace. We have this chair with like a swinging desk, and it's great to just sit there and like work on a project or do homework. It's super cozy, so I love that place particularly. And I think, to no one's surprise, my favorite collection would be maybe the teen manga. It's what I got started with in collection development. It was something I did as an intern initially, which I felt super blessed to have that project given to me. And I mean, I love all graphics. They're the best. So I really love those. Something else I'd like you to know, just I want to hear your feedback, especially when it comes to collection development for graphics. If you think we're missing something, or missing a character or an author or an artist, like, I would love to hear your thoughts on what could add to the collection. There's a form on our website that is like a kind of an inquiry into acquisition, where you can suggest us getting something, and the director looks that over, and if it's something particular to my collection, she might ask me if it's something worth getting, and we do collaborate on that collection quite a bit. So yeah, I love hearing people's feedback. I want to do the best job I can for everyone. Yeah, feel really lucky to be here. I love working in this library, and I love doing programming, and I love doing collection development. I love being on desk, especially, which I know is not everyone's favorite activity, but I love being with the people and like getting to know who's in our community. I love that. You want to say bye to the camera?
Goodbye. Don't put that in there.